Currently 17 degrees. It's very cold and we're gonna go swim. Let's go! Hello guys! Back on road. Where are we going?
Malahat.
Malahat?
Malahat.
Malahat.
Skyview.
Skyview. Guys, fight count 17.
Hindi lang kayo 17, hindi kayo sure.
Thank you for the McDonald's.
I love it.
Thank you, mommy.
Thank you, mommy.
You know that I love chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets!
Tanong mo sa mat, pero wala akong patience.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Sabi mo ikaw ang pinakagaling mo.
Hindi niya matanggap yun eh.
Sabi mo.
Hindi niya matanggap. Gusto niya pantay.
Oo, kasi sabi mo ikaw ang pinaka-smart.
Ako naman talaga eh.
Ikaw si Mr. Perfect. Pati nga Mr. Perfect.
Si Aaron bro. Sabi na lang.
Ikaw ang bida-bida, hindi ako.
Guys, number 19.
How do you feel right now? Entertained.
Wow!
Ano lang yun?
Bida-bida eh.
Ugh! Sirain mo. Wow! Hindi tayo dadaan.
What do you feel? Like ikaw yung katabi.
Ang gulo nun. Ligali.
Entertained. Ikaw dyan taten.
I'm not annoyed or
Nasarapan
offended
mo.
or anything. But I'm entertained.
Araw-araw nanonood na kami.
Lang. Wala Kardashian. Nangungulangot si Kobe. Bakit di ka dapat nangungulangot sa public area?
Public ko ito. Nasa sasakyan tayo.
Pero kasama mo kami.
Private car.
Tapos ano, dito mo anuhin. Dito mo lang rin tatapon. Hindi mo lang manlagay sa napkin. Gano'n. Kadama ka nito.
Pwede rin doon kay Vincent. Ang kasi mo. Pwede rin sa'yo. So,
Baka.
dito kayo.
I know, right?
Tingin ka sa baba, Aro.
Aron, tingin ka sa baba. Tingnan mo yung baba para mas ma-experience mo.
Oh, wow! Iwan mo dyan, gawin.
Iwan mo ka. Ayoko na.
Bitawan mo muna ako. Bitawan mo muna ako.
Tama na.
Bitawan mo. Pero.
Tingnan mo yung baba. Bab, tingnan mo yung baba.
Bitawan mo muna ako.
Naiyak ka siya. Niloloko kasi ni Kobe. Oh, yan na. Fight number 19. Guys, quick update. I forgot to update you. We just came from Malahat Skywalk. Now we're going to fortroddhill. Baking, driving. Everybody's sleeping. They got very they got very tired. We're now at fortroddhill.
Sakto tayo. 4:13, last 5.
Oh,
Go
last entry 4:30.
I'll just give you a heads up before it goes through that we start closing up our buildings in about half an hour. So you'd have enough time to see the lighthouse for sure, maybe see a couple of the forts, but you wouldn't have time to see the entire site.
Okay.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
For sure.
Which one should we go first?
Definitely start at the lighthouse and then sort of work your way back up from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Binidyo ko yung mukha ko habang inahampas ang hangin.